In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery in WordPress. If you want to display multiple images in a clean, organized layout on your WordPress site, adding a gallery is a great option. It helps make your pages look more visual and professional. And the good news is that WordPress makes the process very simple, right inside the editor. To begin, go to your site editor. This is where you can build and customize the content and layout of your website. Once you're in the editor, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This button lets you add new blocks, which are the building elements used in WordPress. After opening the block inserter, type gallery into the search bar. This helps you quickly find the exact block you need without scrolling through the full list. When the gallery option appears, click on it to insert the gallery block into your page or template. At this point, WordPress will give you options for adding images. Click Upload, then choose images from your computer. This is the fastest method if your images are not already in your WordPress media library. Select the files you want to use and let them upload. Make sure you choose the correct images, since this will form the initial version of your gallery. Once your first images are in place, you can continue building the gallery by clicking on Add Image. This is useful when you want to expand the gallery after the first upload instead of starting over. After clicking Add Image, select Upload again so you can bring in more files directly from your computer. Now, choose the additional images from your device and upload them. WordPress will automatically add them into the same gallery block, helping you keep everything grouped together in one neat section. Depending on your theme or editor settings, you may also see the images arranged into columns automatically, which makes the gallery visually balanced. As you do this, it's a good idea to use high-quality images that are optimized for the web, so your page looks sharp without slowing down too much. You'll also want to quickly review the gallery after uploading to make sure the images appear in the order you want. And that's it. You've successfully added an image gallery in WordPress by inserting the gallery block, uploading images, and adding more images as needed. Once everything looks right, you'll be ready to continue editing your page and save your changes.